Yes. And on that point, perhaps, Earl, linking to therefore this issue of the manifestos and whether or not that would be covered in them. As Dwayne indicated, the People's National Party has said they're launching their manifesto on Tuesday. And again, it's something I'd have to check, but it sounds to me like one of the earliest I've heard of a manifesto being launched. It's normally about 2 weeks before the election, if we're lucky, Milton.
Indeed, and for this to come out before nomination day, I was quite surprised when I saw the notification, I think earlier today or yesterday, that the PNP will be launching their manifesto on Tuesday. And particularly also since the PNP have been saying they're reluctant to tell the country what they're planning to do going forward because they're afraid that the Jamaica Labour Party will steal their ideas. I think that was a misstep. I think the PNP should have been putting elements of their manifesto out in the months that they've been campaigning, so that it would have been clearly articulated, clearly put forward to the people and to the voters. And for now, that, election is called, that they'll be consolidating and, just putting together a final document and encompassing everything that they've been laying out before by the party officials on their campaign over the last few months, in fact, from last year.
And let me just say quickly what I have been saying, that when you hear people now calling for manifesto, I don't think anybody seriously think that can only mean a 20 or 30-page booklet or book. Clearly, it has to mean sharing those ideas across social media, using videos, using all kinds of different means. The points that people have been making is that it's time to tell us what you plan to do. Earl, comment on this issue of manifesto.
I sometimes wonder at the utility of it, given that so many aspects of it are quickly forgotten, or some of the goals set out are not easily attainable.